Okay, now ask her again.
What's he going after now?
Anything you can get?
Are you enjoying your food now?
Yes, we are. Here, Angel. Shh. I'll shut it down. I don't do for you guys.
He's looking something up.
You recording this? I'm gonna get my head back.
It's not gonna help, honey.
I can't get past you for food. I know, Angel. It should be a large, thinner. Yeah, I think well. Seneca. Seneca. Okay, I'm gonna come around this side. I got the cheesy bite.
Hello, Sadie.
Oh, did you decide that you want turkey? No? That you're done with the hamburger and the onion rings and the cheesy bites? Now you decide you want turkey? Just take the darn chunk of cheese.
Yeah, that's what he kept doing to me in the kitchen, too.
Oh, they want these little thin pieces. What are you? So delicate that you have to be polite when you eat? I don't think so. Don't give me that look.
What look did he give you? Oh, the glare?
Mm-hmm.
Like, how dare you say something mean about me?
I'm the one that needs the cheese.
Seneca, be nice.
Okay, say, come here.
Ew. Careful, Sadie.
I like the cheese because a little bit you've been able to have.
You made Angel find that funny.
One.
You made Angel find that funny. He was laughing up on top.